It is huge to be able to support our police officers.
Tree lighting is something we do for the family.
This is our second year lighting the trees for the Fallen Police Memorial Foundation. We're more than happy. It's such a worthy cause.
The families will come out here, watch the tree lighting, and then run into the Soldiers Field to get out of the cold. It's our way of showing them we haven't forgot them, and that's our motto, never forget.
So we're installing LED holiday lighting, Christmas lights that were provided by the foundation. Upwards of 3,000 lights that will be on these trees.
Chicago has had a long history with setting the standards when it comes to reliability and safety within the city of Chicago and quite practically the country. And Midwest Interstate Electrical Construction Company understands that value. When this tree is done and lit, that there will be no electrical issues, there will be no hazards.
We do tenant build-outs, we do healthcare, a lot of hospital work, we do gas projects, we do a lot of teledata and Wi-Fi projects, fiber backbones, every daily basic build-out for your office renovations or anything like that.
I want to make sure that we thank our partner in this endeavor, United Rental Company, 3M for donating the supplies, Midwest Interstate Electrical Construction Company.
We're very honored to be a part of this project.
Thanks again to those who volunteer and help and step up with those memories, because it's extremely important for the members who are here to understand that the sacrifices they make every day to save lives, to put their lives on the line for people they don't even know. It's important to see your faces. It's important to see your strength. It's important to see your resilience.
I always said, if you could have asked any one of these policemen the day that he died, what do you want us to do for you? It would be take care of my family, and that's what we're doing.
Thanks for coming out on a cold night, and God bless everybody.
3, 2, 1.